Hello students, this is Sweetal teacher. Today we will read and understand lesson number 3, Storage of Water from EVS 1 for standard 4. I have also added textbook pages for reference. Introduction. Water is important for all living beings. Rainwater is the main source of water. We get rain during the monsoon season. Rainwater fills up the rivers, lakes and streams. The rain that falls on the ground seeps in the soil. This water is called groundwater. We need to store rainwater when it rains so that we can use that water whenever we need. Storing water is an important thing. In this lesson, we will be studying the various ways of storage of water. Olden methods of storing water. Wells. Wells are dug to obtain the rainwater that seeps into the ground. Well water was also used for farming. Water tanks on forts. A tank is just like a big swimming pool. There are lots of tanks and wells on old forts. People lived on the hill forts in the past. The forts had reservoirs and tanks dug into the stone. Draw wells. There were small wells from which water was drawn using a small pot. In Marathi it was called as pohra, tied to a rope. The draw well had water all year round. Rivers and bunds. Earthen or masonry bunds were built across rivers to store their water. People used to build a wall on a small river. This would stop the water from flowing away. These small walls were called bunds. Small lakes would form behind the bunds. Old reservoirs. Reservoirs were built in areas of low rainfall or in areas without a major river. Most of the reservoirs were built using stone and mortar. Old tanks. In Marathi, old tanks are called haud. Earlier, tanks were used to store water. Some large cities still have these old tanks which are in use. Modern methods of storing water. Dams. Dams make it possible to store huge quantities of water. They help to set up factories and generate electricity. Maharashtra has several large dams such as Jayakwadi, Koyna, Ujni and Yeldari. Borewells. Borewells are dug to draw deep-seated groundwater. These wells are very deep and narrow. Electric pumps or hand pumps are used to draw water from the borewells. Panpoi or drinking water stands. Panpoi is a Marathi word used for drinking water stands. People out on the road need water when they are thirsty. In some places, big clay jars of drinking water are kept for use. This is known as panpoi. Panpois are set up by individuals or institutions where water is offered free of charge. Panpois are very useful during summer season. Water pollution. Water pollution has become a problem on our earth which is affecting human and animal life. Humans dumping rubbish into the ocean, factories dumping waste in rivers and ocean, sewage and waste dumped in rivers are some of the causes of water pollution. Good habits to use water economically. Water is precious, so it needs to be used economically. Water must not be wasted. We must follow good habits at home when we use water. Turn off tap while brushing. Take shorter showers. Use low flow taps. Repair leaking taps. Water plants in the morning or evening. Now we will read and understand question answers on the lesson. Answer the following. Question 1. Why should we store water? Answer. We must store water as it is precious. Question 2. What were the traditional ways of storing water in the house? Answer. The traditional ways of storing water in the house were 1. Earthen pots. 2. Brass and copper pots. 3. Steel or plastic containers. Question 3. What is a dam built on? Answer. A dam is built on a river. Question 4. What must we keep in mind while using water? Answer. While using water, we must keep in mind that water is a natural resource and all living things need water. Question 5. What is water pollution? Answer. The contamination of water caused by human activities in lakes, rivers, dams, etc. is called water pollution. Question 6. How can water be saved in places with water shortage? Suggest what can be done. Answer. Water can be saved by the following ways. 1. Using low flow taps for wash basins. 2. Watering the plants in the morning or evening when the rate of evaporation is low. Question 7. What good habits must we cultivate in order to use water economically? Answer. In order to use water economically, we must cultivate the following good habits. 1. Do not keep the tap open while brushing teeth. 2. Repair the leaking tap. Fill in the blanks. The forts had reservoirs and tanks dug into the stone. Wells are dug to obtain the rainwater that seeps into the ground. Dams made it possible to store huge quantities of water. Water must be used economically. Students, I hope you enjoyed today's class and understood the lesson. Keep learning and keep studying. Thank you.